This Greater Kansas City Realty property video is presented by Bergan. Beautiful ranch home with wrap-around porch on 3.5 acres sits on the edge of town. 5-bed/4 bath open concept floor plan makes this a very desirable and family-friendly home. Large great room flows into the kitchen featuring new appliances and large island. Eat on your screened-in porch overlooking the backyard. Large bedrooms all have walk-in closets. Master bedroom has access to the wrap-around porch. Central vac, new roof, heat pump unit, stained concrete floor and basement, interior paint and light fixtures. For more information, review the details below.